Japan got a ton of rare and exclusive toys that we never saw in the West, and I've been doing my best to show you guys bits and pieces of them through my YouTube shorts. But today, in this channel's longest video yet, I'm gonna show you guys an in-depth look at a ton of toys that are ordered straight from Japan because I just think they're pretty cool. Let's get started. This video is sponsored by JP Fans. Ever since the dawn of my channel, people have been asking me where they can buy all of the rare and exclusive items that I show in my videos. And that's why I'm genuinely so happy to have partnered with JP Fans once again. JP Fans is a service that allows you to buy Japanese goods being uploaded every single day to sites like Mercari and Surugaya, which is actually incredible because 90% of the time these are private sellers uploading items for way cheaper than stores I've seen with my own two eyes here in Japan. It's seamless, and the best part is you don't actually have to worry about coming to Japan anymore to buy goods at the local discount. Once you choose an item, it's shipped to their warehouse and documented for you, and as soon as you're ready, they'll ship the box straight to you in your home country. All of the goods I grabbed for the first segment of today's video were from JP Fans, and they helped me with every step of the way. To get started with JP Fans, use my promo code on screen and in the description below to save up to $86 on your account. That's a huge savings, especially considering a lot of the items I show in today's video were only a few dollars each. Start shopping like a local today, and thank you once again to JP Fans for sponsoring this video. I actually started filming this video a while ago, so there'll be a couple of segments where I might look a little bit different. Oh man, this is actually super cool. It's the first item that caught my eye. This is a toy based off of Super Mario World for the Super Nintendo. Mario looks like he has no arms, but they're just behind his back there. It says Mario was actually made in Thailand. 1979? That can't be right. It actually says copyright 1979. That's gotta be like when the copyright for the original game was made, because obviously Super Mario World came out in the 90s. The way it works is you would put Mario inside this barrel here, but you just basically keep stabbing, I'm gonna stab you, Mario, into the side until one of these makes him... Whoa! Okay, that actually scared the crap out of me. But to be able to actually get an old-fashioned Mario toy like this, actually based off of Super Mario World with the official art and everything, it's pretty cool. This is definitely the type of thing that I'm gonna want to play with some friends next time they come over. His eyes are like taped on. I'll put Mario right here. All right, let's see what else is in this box. Mario. So there was a bunch of plushies that came out, again, to celebrate. This is the Super Nintendo era, just like this barrel game. This is to celebrate Super Mario Kart, however. So you've got the original tag, which is probably why I picked this up originally, because these are not easy to get with the original tags on them. But yeah, Mario has the little like goal flag thing, which is super cool. And then the date and all that stuff is printed on this little tag right here. It says 1993 Ban Presto. Next up, we have... Oh man, I forgot I ordered this. So this is actually... Excellent! But it's actually the North American version of it. Wario! So, for the collection, WarioWare Inc. for the Game Boy Advance. Have a rotten day! Last but not least, for this segment of the box anyway, and I'm just realizing that everything I ordered for this is Mario related. So, bear with me, but this is a really interesting toy that came with a fake Famicom controller. And basically this little cable here connects to Mario, and you would use it to play on these little buttons and have him move. So that Mario is surprisingly modern looking. I mean, he's got these chubby little arms, but considering that he's from 1985, he looks like a modern day Mario toy. What's happening? What is this? So this time around, we're looking at a Mario 3D Land maze. Cool thing about it is it's got this gigantic joystick here in the front, and that's what you actually use to control the ball and to move it around. So it just moves this entire course around. It's actually super cool. Here we got like the backgrounds and designs and flags and characters and all that sort of stuff. Okay, so it only has one ball. If I lose this, then I'm basically screwed. I might be able to use one of the Mario Kart ones or something, but I think the size difference is just a little bit too different. So I gotta be really careful. Also, it used to have like little like figurines and stuff. I guess it's kind of good that I have these from the last game, because those are not in here either. All right, let's set up the rest of this and give it a shot. That's the one thing I said I can't lose. It's the one thing I said I can't lose. Where the heck did it go? I don't know where it is. Ah, Ah, it fell. It fell to the floor. So as far as I understand with this maze, what we have to do is explore through these 4 areas, hit each flag as we go, and then eventually make our way to the top, and of course, rescue Princess Peach. Easy work for me. I've been playing Mario games my entire life. Ready, go! Boom! Flag 1. For some reason I thought it was like supposed to spin or something. I guess it's not. Alright, so there we go. Flag 1 under control. Hang on, my hand's getting in the way, but I'm trying to hold it in a way that you guys can see what's happening. I just gotta, there we go. That's flag number 2. I'm gonna go this way now. To the right. There we go. Oh, nice. I'm already there. Okay. Boomerang flag taken care of. It's weird because like, I'm under the impression that I'm like supposed to like basically climb up this part. Oh, there we go. So, but the only way to do it is by like tilting the system further than it's supposed to go. Because just by playing with the joystick, there's no way to do that. Okay, so the biggest danger here is falling from this spot. So I gotta try to level this out, make the ball go around, and then come down this way into the final area. Yeah, there we go. I'm lucky it'll stop in the divot. That's perfect. All the way down. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, that's not it. Yeah, we got it. That's the last one. All right, cool. So from there, I have to get up here. Get up this way. Get up here. The last one. Super careful. Super careful. And be super careful. Yeah! That was way harder than I thought it would be. We did it! We did it! Alright, so that's it for these Mario toys. I had a lot of fun making these. So if you guys want to see me make more of these videos and enjoy some cool exclusive Nintendo goods, let me know. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.